So, today I'm going to be using this Hoover Soft Knot Supreme from March of 2000. Now, for the record, this is not the same model, and that's the same model, but it's not the same particular vacuum that I had 4 years ago. That one's motor burned out. This is the different one. I bought this on my marketplace 2 years ago, and it sounded great. It had a brand new belt, but over time, this one's motor started getting shot, and the fan was very damaged. I mean, I clearly abused it. And my runabout that I had that you saw a good amount of time ago on the channel, I took its motor and brush roll that were, the bristles on this one were green bristles. So was my old one that I had about 4 years ago. But, think of the towels. But, don't pause. Don't.
Two.
But I have one question.
Okay.
Okay, so, this one, as I continue to say, I took the blue bristle brush roll out of my runabout and put it in this, I will manual face, okay, and put it into this one. This one originally came with a green bristle, but this bristles were really worn down. The bristle was also getting kind of seized, and then the bearings and the motor was shot, and so I took it apart. But by the way, just for the record, just like I said a minute ago, just to repeat it, this is a different vacuum from the one I had 4 years ago. That one went to the top. Here we go. Things so much better than the old one I had about 4 years ago, and when I got this one, it didn't look as good. But I have one main question for viewers I need help with. Okay, so a YouTuber Rick Hoover, when reading comments, said that this was a Walmart exclusive. Walmart did sell this, but it was not, I don't think, exclusive. Because I heard from a young YouTuber that they were sold somewhere else, but I don't remember what the store was. So, people in the comment section, maybe just tell me. But anyway, please subscribe, leave comments, and always, there's your dinner!
Kentucky Kid.